Plotting the bar chart and also forming frequency table for the example of most popular luxury car brands sold in US in a specified year is illustrated here as a representation of a categorical variable example in which categories are the brands of the luxury cars sold. In this case, 65 of such cars listed here that were sold in a specific area corresponding to these seven famous luxury cars or highly popular luxury cars: Tesla Model Y, Lexus RX, BMW X5, BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Audi Q5, and then Acura MDX. You can see the number of units sold correspondingly in this table shown here in this specified year. Now, what we want to show is just quick plotting and also tabling. So select column of interest, including label, and then Control-Shift down so that the whole data in that table is selected. Then go to in the on the tabs, go to Insert, and then in the ribbon, select the recommended chart. The moment you click on recommended chart, then what happens is the recommended chart shows up, and you can see that you have the option of it automatically figured out this is a categorical variable. There are 7 categories. It already formed a bar plot for you, which is great in a sort of a clustered bar. You can also go to all chart if you want and play with other options. In this case, let's stick with this one. Click OK, and then what you see as a result that is showing up is quickly the uh, bar chart of interest that we wanted, and also the frequency distribution table for this categorical variable. So you can see it figured out that there are 7 categories corresponding to 7 car brands, luxury cars, and then there are corresponding number of them. For example, out of 65 cars tracked in this or traced in this example, 23 of them happen to be Tesla Model Y. That is most popular luxury car brands, at least in this example. And after that, you can see that BMW and also Lexus RX were neatly popular. After them, you can see in line with BMW, Mercedes-Benz as well. So now we have the luxury car, let's say this frequency distribution table for this categorical variable, and also we have the bar plots, which in summary, you can see them shown here in summary. So this is the fastest way you can do this. It's not the only way. The other way to do this would be um, actually using pivot charts and pivot table. No matter which method you use, it's highly recommended that you enable the free analysis toolpack in Excel. So please don't forget to do so, and that's easy. Go to under File and then select Options, select the um, add-ins, and then make sure that in the add-ins you enable the free analysis toolpack. It might not have been enabled by default. I hope that this video is helpful.